Home Doctor Book Review. I believe this book could be very helpful information, especially with what seems to be coming. We've already tried the recipe for stopping a cough. It worked great and will be used again in the future. There's a ton of medical help here when you can't get to a doctor using things you may already have on a shelf. Just received in the last couple weeks. My husband hates going to the doctor. He cut his finger, we followed what the book said, and it's healing nicely. I should add that I have family that work in the medical field, so they were also consulted and updated while the process was going on. They said, "That's a good book." That is one of the many positive feedback from readers after reading the book. And now discover all you need to know about the book, Home Doctor, before making a purchase. Are you tired of the exorbitant costs and inefficiencies of traditional healthcare? Are you keen on taking charge of your health and well-being? If the answer is yes, then the book, Home Doctor, might be just what you need. What is the Home Doctor book? The Home Doctor book is a comprehensive 304-page guide that offers practical medical tips tailored for all families. It provides valuable insights into treating common ailments that may not necessarily warrant a visit to the doctor's office, and the minor but life-saving procedures that can be performed safely without ever having to set foot outside your front door. Inside, you'll also discover the medicinal plants that you can use, as well as the medical supplies, Western medicines, and do-it-yourself procedures. Another thing you'll discover is the best natural painkiller that probably grows in your own backyard. Authored by Claude Davis, the book is designed to be reader-friendly, even for older adults. With its colorful images and step-by-step instructions, understanding and applying the information becomes a breeze. Essential considerations before purchasing. Before buying the Home Doctor book, it's crucial to take note of some important factors. Purchase from the official website. To ensure that you receive an authentic product and don't fall victim to scams or counterfeit items, make sure to buy the book only from its official website. Its website, homedoctorbook.com. Satisfaction Guarantee. The Home Doctor book comes with a satisfaction guarantee. If, for any reason, you're not satisfied with the product, you can request a refund, making your purchase risk-free. In conclusion, the Home Doctor book is an excellent resource for anyone seeking to take control of their own health and reduce their reliance on the conventional healthcare system. Its comprehensive content covers everything you need to know about managing common diseases without requiring a medical visit. Remember to purchase it solely from the official website to avail of the satisfaction guarantee and safeguard against potential scams. Access the link in the description below and get your own of the book, Home Doctor, to learn how to take care of your own health and your family's. Thanks for watching.